What's up, everybody? It's BBM. I'll be back again with another one. Still consistent. Still grinding. And also, I didn't forget about y'all. I'm still gonna drop my single next Friday. I Can Do Better, featuring my brother Rex LLC. And I appreciate everyone, the comments, and the feedback I'm getting. What ideas I can, content ideas from TikTok and Instagram. I appreciate it. And YouTube Shorts as well. Everybody giving me different ideas.